Good morning, February 4th, and today our sincere advance embrace invite us into the category light of the heart. Today's message is: may your home smell like happiness today. Think about how you can create this scent. Today we activate our imagination once again. The scent of happiness. What is it like for you? It can be a blend of coziness, warmth, care, and love. It is always gentle, deeply personal, and known only to you. For some, happiness smells like grandmother's pastries and cinnamon. The scent of childhood, a place where you were always welcomed and lovingly asked about every detail of your life. For others, it is energizing smell of dad's morning coffee, a scent of strength, confidence, and a reliable shoulder nearby. And for some, happiness is a salty ocean wind, the scent of freedom, power, and constant movement forward. Pause for a moment. Reflect. Remember. Dream. Which scent brings you back to a feeling of calm and joy? Your home is your canvas. Try to express your own association. Add pinch of cinnamon or vanilla for coziness. Drop of citrus essential oil for inspiration, or simply let in fresh winter air, the scent of pine trees, and a frosty morning that renews the space. Each scent is a smell building block of our inner peace. Create an atmosphere where your soul feels warm. Your advance embrace.